Ona gutuika mari na mwihoko munene wa gucokereria gwa thayu kumanagia na birigiceni ino ya kuhamurithia aria makoretwo makiga muingi na hahu mwena wa Ormoran, kuri na amwe matigitwo na irema cia ngoro, mwiri na meciria. Aikari a matura ma wodi cia Githiga na Ormoran mari kionani erutiri mawira-ini mao, no tharikira na wici wa mahiu kwa mahinda imatigite mari ahoi amu matihotaga gutwarithia mawira mao wega ta mutugo.
Riu tuikaraga uguo na hahu ni undu wa njangiri icio. Riu koguo guku ni kwega, no riu tutingihota kuga ni kwega tondu twi thina-ini mukiru. No riu haria tukinyite ni tumakite tondu tutirahota guthie nginya migunda.
Mbere ya tharikira ici, urugamiriri wa runyanjara rwa nyamu cia githaka rwa Laikipia Nature Conservancy urakoretwo wanjiriria kumateithiriria na tabarira cia uhandi wa miunguro ya makorobia, urimi wa njuki gatagati kaingi, itemi-ini ria kumateithiriria kugarurira urimi wao.
We've planted 40,000 grafted Hass avocado seedlings, of which we were distributing to the community. We've already distributed 20,000 seedlings to 250 farmers. Each farmer has received 80 or above seedlings.
No tabarira ino ni yambite kurugama kwa ihinda thutha wa kwanangu ni ekina aria mehithaga runyanjara-ini ruru, ona gutuika urugamiriri uyu ugite uri na mwihoko wa gucokereria kwa maundu o ta mutugo.
But in April of this year, when these invasions began, the avocado nursery was completely destroyed. So we only got halfway through distributing the seedlings before the rest were totally smashed. The infrastructure was vandalized.
Zile vitu za kunyunyusia maji, zile zilikuwa tayari ziko tayari za kupanda, wakaharibu zote. Sasa unaona badala ya sisi tuendelee mbele, tunarudi nyuma. Matanya ma tabarira ici ni maguteithiriria kurwa na ng'aragu na guteithiriria aikari aria mariganiti na runyanjara ruru gwikuria na kugia na urimi ungi maguna ona riria kwarite.
If normalcy resumes, we've done all the groundwork thing and the roadmap for distributions. We'll just embark on it immediately. Calm restores.
Giribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.